Hello, hello, here we are once again. Mini Max, 1030R Bill with me, Scott. Since the last episode, I unwrapped these beans. They're nice and straight now. These spars, they got the ribs on there for the fabric covering. Holes drilled, ready to go. I just got done putting this forward leading edge on. A little crack right here, which I don't like. Alright, so you can see here, I marked where the glue goes, and I got it varnished where the glue doesn't go. And I gotta put the epoxy on and form this last nose here. So, let the fun begin. And always need supplies. I am down to, I don't know, a couple weeks of gloves, if that. I gotta get me some more gloves. I ordered a DeWalt battery today, a little 12 volt DeWalt battery to put, on the plane for the start drive. Gotta figure out where I'm gonna put that. As before, I'm putting glue everywhere the epoxy isn't. Everywhere the varnish isn't. So you get it completely sealed up inside here. It's busy, busy, busy around the ranch here. Got one of my 6 children having a birthday party today. Nothing like being a kid and having a birthday party, you know it? Presents, and of course she's 19, and so she'll be sneaking into the alcohol and all that like most 19-year-olds do around here. Y'all probably don't remember, but when we were 19, if you were anywhere close to my age, it was legal at that age to drink. We're in southeastern Virginia, so don't know where you are at. If you get a chance, leave in the comment line where y'all are at. I'd like to know mine. I know I got a guy in Norway and Lithuania, and got some people in Virginia, got some people in Louisiana, got some people in Northern Virginia, got people in Virginia Beach. Where are you from? Where I live here is a lot of military bases. We got military aircraft flying over all the time. Predominantly helicopters, actually. They're all over the place. Come in low too. We got a swimming pool out back. Got a 6-foot fence around it. I told you before, I got a beautiful blonde voluptuous white, right? Pretty sure them Navy guys, I think it's a Navy helicopter. Looks like a Navy Seahawk. Coming over here trying to catch my wife in the pool, I think. You know Navy guys wouldn't do that. But they do prefer a water landmark when they're flying. Making my workbench stronger. Ooh, sturdy boxy, sturdy boxy. We'll have a wonderful day. It's lunchtime here in Southeast Virginia. I'm going to try and get something done. Get these here pieces glued on anyway, let them dry. Won't have much chance tonight, so we had a little party going on. Tomorrow I'll be black powder hunting in Southeast Virginia. Or bear, or deer, coyote. I have a story to tell you next time we know. What meat we don't eat, we give away. Lots of people that could use it around here. I think there's a little organization called Hunters for the Hungry, but we kind of do it ourselves, pass it around. The word gets around if you're killing animals, hunting and all that. You know, they know, hey, here you hunt. Can you throw a ham my way? Answer, oh yeah. Right in the middle. No reason for them to crack. Those soaked in water for half hour. Just noticed that. I'll put some heavy plastic inside now. Just then I gotta sand it down a little bit. Not lose the strength of it. Now doing it. Time for my Pac-Man to move on. Sorry guys, you're going underneath. No Pac-Man, nobody's gonna know you're there but me and these 200 folks right here. Don't try your telling me, buddy. Anybody gonna listen to you? You're gone. Here we go. Move you back a little bit. That better? Piece of wood exactly goes around, up and over, comes back down and touches this plywood. So I am forcing it down while stapling it. I'd rather work it from the middle out, but I might not hit my end point good. Pushing down on it, flush with the plywood. see me? No. Putting quite a bit of force on this side. And do the same thing on the other side. Tell you what, it's a chore making these things. A chore. I like to say it's a delight, but it ain't. I'm gonna start in the middle of this one. Okay, we got this one to put on here. In. Like so. Better do the old hand trick. Any staples? Looks good. It looks better than I did on the vertical stabilizer. And that, I'm getting better at it. It is still a royal pain in the butt though. All the glue and itty bitty pieces. I don't know about you, I like messing with big stuff. But that's what I'm used to messing with. Buildings and ships and stuff like that. Alright. Hope you thought that was just as much pain in the butt as I did. But that's what you'll do now. When I come to the wing, I got to do this again. I'm glad I'm getting some practice now, but of course it's going to be much bigger. I got to get to the leading edges on the wings. Supposedly the ribs and stuff like that are being pre-built by Team Minimax right now. That was a little bonus thing they had going on, and I appreciate it. But we'll get that stuff in soon. So next episode, you're going to see me. Before then, of course, I'll clean the place up because it needs it horribly, and get staples out and clean up glue and all kinds of stuff. And when you come back, this stuff's going to be in place looking like a horizontal stabilizer. I'm going to be, if I don't have it blocked in place, I'll block it in place, and then we'll start putting in the ribs. Get a bunch of ribs, a few structural members, a couple areas where it bolts to the other part of the plane. I got to coordinate that. I was looking at the fuselage on that. I got some pre-installed blocks. We got to make sure that stuff lines up. But we'll see what happens. But hope you have a great day. It's another beautiful day here in southeastern Virginia. It's a little breezy, which is good because all the pecan tree leaves are on the ground. I just had my daughter blow them off, and the wind helped her out. Kind of blowing the same way. Now, sometimes that don't happen, but anyway, Don't forget, look up. Take care.